Maintain a stable printing environment to ensure consistent speed and quality. Keeping your workspace climate-controlled helps the OmniDTF Plus perform at its best. Choosing the right print settings can significantly boost your efficiency. Use optimized resolutions and print speeds for different designs to find the perfect balance between quality and speed. Regular maintenance is crucial to keeping your OmniDTF Plus running at peak efficiency. Clean the print heads and conduct routine inspections to avoid downtime. Always keep your inks, films, and consumables stocked to prevent delays. Running out of supplies at the wrong time can bring your production to a halt. Plan your print runs in advance to maximize machine uptime. Batch similar jobs together for less setup time and a smoother production flow. Follow all these tips, even with your own printer, to keep it running at peak performance. Maximize efficiency, reduce downtime, and boost productivity. Want more printing tips? Follow us for more.